Hello students, today I am going to give you the question answer of lesson 2. So I am going to read the question answer so that you will have no problem in understanding these answers. First, very short answer type questions. First question is, what is lithosphere? And the answer is, the hard crust of the earth on which we live is called lithosphere. Second is, name different types of mountains. So the different types of mountains are young fold mountains, old fold mountains, block mountains and volcanic mountains. Third question, what is folding? Folding are the wave-like bands formed in the crust due to the process of compression. Then the fourth question, what do you mean by the gorge and the canyon? A canyon is a deep valley with very steep sides, while gorge is a deep ravine with a river flowing through it or without a river. Then the fifth question is, define the term plateau. Plateaus are the highlands with a broad and more or less flat surface. Now the second question, short answer type questions. The first question is, discuss the forces responsible for the formation of different relief features. The answer is, the different forces responsible for the formation of different relief features are following: endogenetic force and exogenetic force. Endogenetic force. The force coming from within the earth is called the endogenetic force. Mountains, plateaus, etc. are formed due to endogenetic forces. Endogenetic force are also responsible for the folding and faulting of the earth's surface. Now the second is exogenetic force. The forces which derive their strength from the earth's exterior or originate within the earth's atmosphere are called exogenetic force. Then the second question is, mention the importance of plateaus. Importance of plateaus. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Many of the mining areas are located in the plateau. The second importance is, plateaus are famous as places of tourist destinations. Black soil of the plateau is good for cotton cultivation. Now the third question, write a short note on the plains. So plains are low-lying flat stretches of land. Generally they are not more than 200 meters above the sea level. The plains are usually formed by the deposition of silt and sediments brought by the rivers and their tributaries. Mountains, the fourth question, mountains play an important role in our life. How? The answer is, mountains are the rich source of water for rivers. Second point, they provide different building material. Third, they are the natural home of various wild animals. Then the fourth, the mountains are also famous as the tourist destinations. Then the fifth question is, what do you know about the endogenetic force? The force coming from within the earth is called the endogenetic force. This force gives birth to various types of relief feature like mountains, plateaus, etc. Now the sixth question, discuss the characteristics of the mountains. Characteristics of the mountains are following. First, mountains have broad base and conical top like a peak. Mountains have moderate climate as compared to the plain areas. Mountains are the storehouse of glaciers, which are the main source of water for the rivers. In the next video, I will give you the rest answers in which you will have long answer questions and match the following and other answers for. So thank you for today and watch the next video.